So week course content for Module 6B, we're really focusing on professional identity and growth. So as a teacher, you can really take advantage of the fact that there are lots of other teachers online that are sharing their materials, their resources, their wisdom, and maybe just complaints back and forth as well. So it's a really great place for you to go, especially as a new teacher, to get ideas, to connect with other educators, especially if maybe there's only one other person in your building that teaches your same grade level or subject area, or maybe there's nobody, or maybe the person that is there, maybe you don't really align with them pedagogically. So this particular module will focus on you using technology in order to kind of reach out to others and develop a network that you can learn educational technology from, as well as, and more likely probably, lessons that you could use in your own classroom, different resources and things like that. So the first thing that you'll start by doing is going to the class prep. And on the class prep, here we have, I'm going to ask you for tip 10. You're tasked with either attending two Twitter chats, which are all online, or you can attend a summer of e-learning conference in Indiana, and we'll talk about those in just a second. So for a Twitter chat, what's a Twitter chat? So basically a Twitter chat is you going back and forth, and I bet you that there is actually probably a Twitter chat right now. Let me go and check these. So you can open up this link. So here are all the different education Twitter chats that are going on. Let's see if there's any going on right now. Looks like there's one in Africa that I could do, but I think I've missed all of the other one. Oh, wait. So let's look for one that started here. So ECE chat, that just started. So, or that's started a little bit ago. So let me go to twitter.com. I'm logged in. I'm going to look for hashtag ECE chat. I think that was the hashtag. So, see if I have no discussion. The latest. So here they are talking back and forth, and they'll just share different ideas of the things that they're doing. And talk back and forth. This one doesn't look super vibrant. Let's see if there's another one. 1 second. All right, looks as if some are going to start soon here. Let's try MNT-EDU. And I'll actually use TweetDeck usually for mine, and this is this really simple one that you can sign up for. And so here's, maybe I'll just show you some examples of one I participated in last night. So here's one that I participated in last night, and what they do is they have different questions. And so here was the question that he asked. And so what people will do is they'll reply, and you'll include the hashtag within that particular chat, and you'll talk back and forth. Usually the best practices are that you include like, so this is question 4 down here, and so they'll do answer 4. And then they'll go back and forth replying to different people, and so you can kind of see that this goes on and on and on. So we had a little discussion last night about computer science education. So what I'm asking you to do is select some different ones that you're interested in attending, and then attend those particular chats. But so you can look through them and kind of plan out for your time when that's going to be the best time for you. So I'm going to ask you to actually respond in the class prep which ones you're planning on attending. Or your other option is to do a summer of e-learning conference in Indiana, and a lot of states have these particular ones. We have these ones going on this week, so These few were taking place today. So if any of these are around you, and you can go to them, you can click on this Summer of E-Learning list, and you're eligible for up to 50 points extra credit for going to these particular conferences. So let's say that the 20th and 21st, so South Shore, if this is kind of in your neck of the woods, um, you're close to the city of Hammond, Purdue University North. Buddy Berry, who's an amazing speaker, he's going to be there. And so you could attend this particular conference and tweet out about it and learn about it. So if you want to pick that option, just let me know. And then you'll also watch this quick video about professional identity and then answer the questions. And after you've done that, I want you to create a meme about professional growth and identity. So something that you've learned from the class prep videos. And I've got a meme generator here, and then you'll actually post that here in the discussion forum. The next thing I want you to do is to identify and follow at least 5 educators on Twitter. And I've included a ton of different examples for you here. So there are tons of different people to follow. You can look at your specific subject area. So check them out on Twitter and see if that works best for you. Okay. And lastly, what you'll do for your particular tip is through doing Storyfy. And again, Emma created a really great tutorial for you on Storyfy. But basically, let me just go to Storyfy. What it allows you to do, allows you to, let me see if I can. So here's an example of a Storyfy where the main person took, here are all the different tweets, and they organized them in a particular area so you can see how the chat kind of went through. Okay, so hopefully that helps. Let me know if you have any questions. Next week we will get to our next big assignment, which is actually making a computational game.